Hi guys. Whoa. Hi guys, it's me, Annika here. And today I'm doing DIY ombre slime. So for this you're going to need one slime split into two. So I already started dyeing one of these. This one is a dark really ugly blue color. And this one is purple-ish color. So what I'm doing right now is this is full of slime. So I'm just gonna take this slime on my kinetic sand thing. Just dab, dab, dab. Make your slime look fab. But do dab, dab, dab. Make that slime look fab. And guys, I'm so sorry I haven't uploaded a lot. It's because I've been very active on my other channel, Annika Single. You can subscribe. So I like this one. I think it's a nice purple color now. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of this blue glossy slime that's in here. Only a tiny bit though, because I'm like running out. It flew at me. And then I'm going to take this little medicine container. It's travel sickness medicine. You're just going to take your darkest color first. I'm just going to take it and put it in one side of the slime container. Next color. And then you want to let it sit for a while. While we let that sit, let's get some ASMR. And excuse the background noise and like buzzing and clicking. My brother is playing Roblox. Carter, say hi.
To who?
YouTube.
Hi.
Oh. Now we're going to take this slime and we're going to take lotion. Only a little bit though. That much. And you're going to slather it all over the surface of the slime. And you're gonna go in between the colors and like take that indent, make it indent. And now you just roll it into a ball. Play with it a little bit. I'm sorry if I call this ombre slime. This is supposed to be marble slime. And then enjoy my door. You're just gonna need a pinch of baking soda. And rub that across that surface. And like kind of mat it out, but just make it not stick to your hands. Close that baby up. There you go. You have a miniature marble slime. Comment down below if you want me to do some ASMR videos with my slime. Yeah. Bye guys, and see you later. Bye.